Old house smell? Ugh, gross. You know what we're talking about.
It could be mold, could be smoke, but it sure is a turnoff.
Well, good news. Here are a few steps to help get rid of it. First things first, open up the windows. This both dries out the place and lets the sunshine in. Sunlight is a great disinfectant. Next, clean your couch. If you've cleaned all your hard surfaces and yet smell still lingers, it's time to check your couch. Give it a deep cleaning, but the hard truth is that soft stuff tends to absorb aromas. It might be time to replace that odor-causing culprit. Now move to under the sink. Clear out everything and make sure you don't have a leak. Lastly, wash your walls.
Yes, walls can absorb odor.
Wipe them down and let them air dry. This will remove grease, dust, and hopefully any embedded smells. Here's one last bonus idea. Neutralize the air.
Stick an open container of baking soda on top of your cabinets to help absorb the musty smell.